Hello guys, in today's video we have a package. I purchased a 4-piece phone lot and it says please handle with care, fragile, thank you. So I purchased a 4-piece phone lot. It's supposed to be 4 blue phones and there's one that I'm actually excited about. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I cut the other side has an address, so it has a tracking number, so I don't want to leak that to my channel, so I covered it. So yeah, so let's get started. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I should open it like this. Then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, that was my tablet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it on this side. Sorry guys, I'm just struggling a little bit. Okay, now for the last side. Hold on, I don't think I opened the other side. Hopefully that didn't show, but okay. Then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Here it is. Here's what it looks like with some bubble wrap. Let's set that to the side. And get rid of this box. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see what it is. Okay, there. It feels heavy a little bit, so go ahead and see what it looks like. And here's the first phone. This is the Blue Advance L5. See if it has any boot. Has any juice or something. Nope, it's dead. Here's the next phone. This is the one that I haven't had in a long time. This is the Blue Dash 3.5 CE. Guys, oh, this one turns on. Oh my god. Sorry for the background noise. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Literally. Oh my god. I remember that. Guys, I actually remember it actually. Here's this one. This is the Blue Life One X2 Mini. Here it is. Here's this one. It's cracked but works. I wonder what this button's about. Okay. Sounds like this. Alright, I'm gonna see how many wallpapers it has. Okay. And here's the last one. This is the Blue Studio 5.0 LTE. I'm not sure if this one works, but alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna wipe them down. Okay, I'm back. I wiped them down, and this one, to be honest, I don't know if this one works. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. I think it's completely dead, so I don't know if it works. And here's this one. Okay, that's weird. This one, the unlock sound on this one is so nostalgic. I don't know about this one, but I'll update you on this one. Alright, here it is. Here are the phones. Here's this one. I remember that wallpaper. Oh my god. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my daily videos. And yeah, I'll update you when this one works or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my daily videos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next one. Peace.